Decoding the Sleep Quotient, Unveiling the Secrets of Optimal Rest. Introduction. In the fast-paced world we inhabit, sleep often takes a back seat in our list of priorities. However, understanding the significance of sleep is crucial for our overall well-being. In this comprehensive review, we delve into the intricacies of the age-old question: how much sleep do you actually need? Scientific foundation. The cornerstone of this exploration lies in scientific research, and numerous studies concur on a general consensus. For adults, a sleep duration of 7 to 9 hours per night emerges as the sweet spot. This time frame allows the body to progress through various sleep cycles, each contributing to physical and mental restoration. Individual variability. It's essential to recognize that individual variability exists. While the majority may thrive on 8 hours of sleep, some individuals may find themselves functioning optimally with slightly less or more. Factors such as genetics, lifestyle, and overall health contribute to these variations. Age-specific recommendations. The journey through life introduces nuanced sleep needs at different stages, from the extensive sleep required during infancy to the gradually diminishing hours as we age. The importance of understanding age-specific sleep recommendations cannot be overstated. Quality versus quantity. Beyond the duration, the quality of sleep is equally crucial. An uninterrupted, deep sleep is paramount for reaping the benefits of rest. Factors like sleep environment, stress management, and consistent sleep routines play pivotal roles in ensuring high-quality sleep. Real-world application. To bridge the gap between theory and practice, the review explores real-world applications. It features testimonials from individuals who have consciously adjusted their sleep habits, shedding light on the tangible impact of aligning with recommended sleep durations. Consequences of sleep deprivation. Delving into the darker side of the sleep spectrum. This review addresses the consequences of chronic sleep deprivation. Cognitive decline, mood disturbances, compromised immune function, and an increased risk of chronic illnesses are among the documented outcomes of consistently inadequate sleep. Conclusion. In conclusion, how much sleep do you actually need is not a mere query but a critical consideration for a thriving life. This review serves as a compass, navigating through scientific insights, individual variability, and practical applications to demystify the enigma of optimal sleep. It underscores the imperative of prioritizing sleep as a cornerstone for a healthier, more productive, and fulfilling existence.